Affiliate marketing. It's a buzzword you've probably heard echoing around the online business world. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is like being a friendly recommender. You partner with a company, promote their products, and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. The customer discovers a product they love, the company makes a sale, and you earn a commission for being the bridge. No need to create your own products, manage inventory, or handle customer service. Now, let's dive into the exciting part: how to get started. The first step is finding the perfect products to promote, and that's where affiliate marketplaces and platforms come in. One of the most exciting aspects of affiliate marketing is the sheer diversity of products and services you can promote. Whether your passion lies in technology, fashion, travel, or anything in between, there's an affiliate program out there waiting for you. The key is to find a niche that resonates with your interests and aligns with your target audience. Affiliate marketplaces and platforms are your treasure maps. These platforms act as intermediaries between affiliate marketers and businesses offering affiliate programs. They provide a centralized hub where you can browse a wide array of products, compare commission rates, and access marketing materials. Some popular affiliate marketplaces include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, and Impact Radius. Remember, choosing the right affiliate marketplace is crucial for your success. Research different platforms, compare their features, and select the ones that best suit your needs and niche. Ready to unlock the power of affiliate marketing? Let's explore the world of affiliate marketplaces and platforms in the next section. With so many enticing products vying for your attention, it's easy to get swept away by shiny object syndrome. The key to long-term success in affiliate marketing lies in promoting products you genuinely believe in, products that provide value to your audience and align with your niche. Before you jump on the promotion bandwagon, ask yourself these essential questions. Would I personally use or recommend this product to a friend or family member? If your answer is a resounding yes, you're on the right track. Does this product solve a problem or fulfill a need within my target audience? Understanding your audience's pain points and desires is crucial for selecting products that resonate. By promoting products you genuinely endorse, you'll establish credibility and foster long-lasting relationships with your followers. Section 4. Top Affiliate Products for 2024, Riding the Trend Wave. The world of affiliate marketing is constantly evolving, with new trends and products emerging every year. Staying ahead of the curve and capitalizing on popular niches can significantly impact your earning potential. So, what are the hot ticket items for 2024? Digital products, ebooks, online courses, software, and memberships continue to dominate the digital landscape. Health and wellness. From fitness trackers and supplements to meditation apps and healthy meal delivery services, the health and wellness industry is booming. Sustainable and eco-friendly products. Consumers are becoming more environmentally conscious, seeking out sustainable and eco-friendly alternatives in various categories. Home office equipment and technology. With the rise of remote work, the demand for ergonomic chairs, monitors, laptops, and other home office essentials remains strong. Section 5. Promoting your links, strategies for success. Congratulations! You've found your niche, selected stellar products, and you're ready to spread the word. But how do you effectively promote your affiliate links without sounding spammy or pushy? The key is to integrate them seamlessly into your content and provide genuine value to your audience. Here are a few proven strategies. Content marketing. Create high-quality, informative blog posts, articles, or videos that naturally incorporate your affiliate links. Email marketing. Build an email list and nurture your subscribers with valuable content, including occasional affiliate product recommendations. Social media marketing. Share your affiliate links on social media platforms where your target audience hangs out. Paid advertising. Invest in targeted advertising campaigns on platforms like Google Ads or social media to reach a wider audience. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers in your niche to tap into their established audience and leverage their credibility. Section 6. Conclusion. Embracing the affiliate marketing journey. Embarking on your affiliate marketing journey is an exciting endeavor filled with opportunities for growth and income generation. As with any business venture, success requires dedication, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Celebrate your wins, learn from your setbacks, and enjoy the journey of building a thriving online business. The world of affiliate marketing awaits. Embrace the challenge, take action, and watch your efforts blossom into a rewarding and fulfilling venture. Section 7. Call to Action and Community Engagement. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive guide to affiliate marketing. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge and strategies to succeed, it's time to take action. Please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear about your journey and experiences in the comments below. Join our community and let's grow together. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in the world of affiliate marketing.